Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place as usual. Speaks messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start with the read. So, if you wish to support the channel, you may do so via PayPal, then GPay ID and UPI ID is there. I hope that you all are doing fine and great. Like, you know what? Some of you need to know that just don't get up and accept the offer. Okay, just don't get up and just don't think once, and then just step and then just accept. Okay, don't accept it right away. For some of you, there's going to be something better. Okay, I'm not saying that for everyone, but this energy is like fluctuating right now, wherein they're trying to convey to me that just don't be like this, and this is best. Especially when your intuition is telling you that you should wait. These two cards flipped. Unexpectedly, things are going to roll in your life. You never thought that way. You never meant that it's going to be happening. You're not even prepared. There's going to be something happening in your life, Aquariuses, you're not prepared for. Okay? So when you're not prepared, you haven't done any homework, you're just going with the flow, and things come, and most probably it's going to arise. It's not even going to flow like it's not like coming like this. Okay? It's coming like this. It's going to be sudden appearance. It's going to be sudden arrival. It's going to be sudden contact. It's going to be sudden talk. Are you in or are you out? Like when it's under pressure, don't go for that. When unexpectedly someone is going to put you in the midst of something, don't go for that. Okay? The Tower and Two of Pentacles. Like it's going to feel as if like, wow, it's interesting, or maybe, maybe it's a lure. Don't fall for that for some of you, let me tell you, because when things just don't go like smooth like this, especially in life, especially about romantic things, especially about if it's very fast, if someone is like putting you in a situation, say yes or no, say yes or no, say yes. No, it's a no. It should be never under like, okay, then you don't love me, or okay, then you're not interested. Okay, no one with basic sense and consistency, they're going to put you in that situation where you need to just decide on the go. So this kind of situation I see coming. So don't especially these are pentacles, so it's about money related thing, money transfer, money flow, money thing. This could be about, because star, so this could be about some location, place. Don't go for that. Okay, don't decide yes or no, yes or no, otherwise, yes or no, otherwise. Now these things happen in our life regarding as per situations, like as per if it's romantic thing, then someone you are interested in and how they're behaving, something that you are interested in like place or location or something connected with money stuff, something is a formal meeting or something, and then there's a pressure on that. So if you feel like stuck and you cannot decide, then don't decide. That's all I can say. So some unexpected things are arriving, especially connected with money, especially connected with some decisions, especially connected with for some of you it's a power failure as well in certain areas. Maybe it's because of somewhere geographically, anywhere, but also because of weather or something. Okay, it's also sudden. It's an emotional situation for some as well. Now, this could be the person behaving very ridiculous. Okay, I have to tell you, and they are acting pathetic regarding emotions, and they are someone is breaking or disappointing you, or they did that prior, and that is why now you just don't trust this person even if they approach you again. Because for some, I do feel like this person, whoever is kind of coming with again, hey, or something like making um, some excuse and wanting to connect with you and saying, what, I'm stuck somewhere and I was like this. If someone very specific is giving you excuses and they do, repeat that pattern, especially I'm talking about relationship concept right now here, okay? The other messages I gave. So if they're doing like that, mean they are stupid, okay? And they have this pattern, and you need to learn that. If they have repeated it time and again, you know it right now, like, it by the time they even approach again and all, because they, every time they disappoint you, they hurt you, they give you that trauma, they give you that anxiety. Why to entertain them? There is this big message coming, okay? And there's also this, whoever is this person's coming with big excuses, and they always have a plan, like, they're always prepared with answers, like, and with excuses and with patterns, and no, okay? And so while the time you are staying still and you're coping with something, okay, I'm talking with you, Aquarius, you're coping with something, you're staying still and you're not making any move and decision, and you are healing in that and you're experiencing that and you're analyzing what happened. This person does come with some, like, uh, message or something, and they drop that and, just want your attention, um, like seeking you. There is something big that you need to tackle, need to handle, you need to look into. It's kind of like not a crow, but a raven energy. Okay? Like you need to look into the matter deeply, about anything, whether it's decision, whether it's move. Cards. So, for some of you, this is a situation of money. Okay? This is a situation of finance, money, and this is going to be a very, like, a beautiful supply of whatever you need or whatever you are into right now dealing. So it's about someone who is going to give you money for what you are providing. Let's just say that. So it's kind of like whatever you do or whatever that is required by you, and there's going to be some, like, a receiver giver activity that I see, okay? And this is going to be golden opportunity. The Six of Pentacles is arrival of money for some of you. I don't see here romantic anything. I see something like achievement, something that you're going to be receiving, which is a good thing, okay? Another thing is, don't get lured into anything, okay? Seven of Cups. Don't confuse yourself. But I also see here it's you, okay? So you are going to be deciding, and it's you means you're chosen. You're chosen for something by someone, okay? For some of you, this is the message. Now, it's also Queen of Wands, so Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I do see like whatever effort you are putting as an individual, whether you are Aquarius, it doesn't matter, but it's just like an energy form. You're dealing with one, but as an energy form, you are holding on to very beautiful situation, and you don't get caught up in anything that is kind of lure or confusion or mess. Okay. Someone is also winning something online, or winning a lottery or some achievement. That's what I see that you're going to receive. And when it's like just receiving money and all, because they're finances, okay, but it's not something that you need to click or sign in or do like that. You just want it, like your name is there, it's selection, and it's good, like you receive it. You understand me? Like it's only one way. Like you receive it and there is no entanglements, then that's okay. But then don't go in for like click on this and you're going to get this, and so be aware of scammers because it's also Seven of Cups, a messy situation. You need to avoid it. Okay, like if someone is saying big amount this and that, and then it's like a scam. Okay, so don't get lured into that. Okay, don't get into that. Don't transfer money. This kind of energy is as well like a transferring money in someone's name, and then getting messed up and caught up in all this stuff, because this is what is telling me some trap. Okay, for some, not for all. It's animals, as if like some animal is coming, but I don't know which animal. I don't know. Yeah, I'm right away seeing elephant. He's coming. He's coming. Mm-hmm. I literally see walking, him walking, or she, but him walking. I'm getting this energy of him walking towards me and saying, just tell them, okay, take wise decisions. Okay, that's what he's saying. He's saying that be confident in what you go in for, and don't mind when you're letting go of some unexpected events from your life. This is for sure. Okay, they're saying that. Also, it's like leaving one location or leaving place or something and going ahead in decision making and making a move. Oh, what else you have? It's kind of like when they make sound from their, you know. So that's the decision time. Yes. Long forgotten. Yes, they want me to take this reading into another, but long forgotten things or long forgotten person or long forgotten something is going to come back to you or is coming for you, and whether you accept it or not, it's on you, but it's long forgotten something that is coming for you. Okay. I hope this is going to help you. Take care. See you soon.